If you wish to take a closer look on a harvest day of one of your combine harvesters to optimize the working process, you can use the Combine Harvester Optimization. You find this feature in the chapter Analysis, which is only available in the Telematics Professional version. Please enter the required machine and a certain day to display the settings of your machine. If you run your cursor over the diagram, the exact values pop up. To get a more precise view, you can zoom in on selected diagram parts. Furthermore, you can fade in and fade out certain diagram contents underneath the diagram.